The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruits free. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. Coconut, coconut, coconut. The coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door. Now, the coconut trunk, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you'll have a second floor. The coconut wood is very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it would. Now, the coconut root, to tell you the truth, you can throw it or use it as firewood. The coconut leaves good shade it gives for the roof, for the walls, up against the eaves. Now the coconut fruit, say my relatives, make good cannonballs up against the thieves. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammer.
Dati original ko mula eh. Pigsa daw muli na eh. Nakamama? Nay, nakamamak taray. Ay na! Sakto iti mama ka na. Ni? Ay napaw. Agsasaro na napaw. Mama ka na ka. Apaw. Agsasaro na nga gulay.
Wala naman ng itak.
Tinay.
Ay, data na ibalong.
Data na balong, alay ma.
Ay napaw.
Ata.
Ay napaw. Ay napaw. Ay na.
Makalong.
Delikado. Ay na, delikado na eh. Sinaklot na napaw. Sinaklot na.
Huwag maa.
May nang pigsa. Po. Nagpigsa nga ubi nga ito yan. Nakamamak. Hindi na ako makatulog sa aking nakikita ngayon mga kadiskarte. Hindi makapaniwala. Balong, madi nga nadagsan. Sakto lang. Po, sana yan. Manutawin man balong?
12.
12?
11.
11? Po. Nagpigsa ta, laslasag mo balong. Ituloy mo ta programa ng mga kasta. Ate abay.
Ano pibatigan niya dagta?
Ito, yung
Kaya tatalo nga kaya.
nagpigsa ti ubing na eh. Hangguman nga malipatan tayo naramid na. Tignan naman natin dito kung ilan na yung nakuha. Shit eh. Ni.
Wala na? Eh, isa? Ha? Ito na yan? Sige, pwede na yan.
YouTube ka?
Kabila.
Mo mo di YouTube?
Sa tapat mo na yan, sa kabila, sa tapat mo.
Ibagam no ka, sinay, search na, discarding Ilocano. Mabuya yung ati video yung tatang.
Uy, bakit ang suda?
Oh.
Mga kasaligid tang. Nakatali yung itak.
Discarding Ilocano I-search mo makita yung di video yaw. May upload damdaman. Ayun to nabuga. When damdaman may upload. Among ba nga YouTuber ko?
Interview na namin sa Pinaw.
Anong masasabi mo po sa
Medyo pa yan.